Hi, I'm Amy from eSpares, and in this video I'll be showing you how to replace the water inlet valve in a Samsung EcoBubble washing machine. If you find that your washing machine isn't filling with water when you run a cycle, it's likely to be due to a faulty water inlet valve. So in this video I'll show you how to replace it. For this repair you're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, a pair of pliers and a towel to soak up any spillages. Now before we begin, it's important to make sure that your washing machine is switched off and unplugged from the mains before carrying out any work. For this repair, you're also going to need to switch off the water supply to your washing machine and disconnect the water inlet pipe from your appliance too. Having turned your washing machine around, we'll now need to remove the top panel, and we can do that by removing the two screws at the back here. We can now slide off the top panel and set it safely to one side. During this process you will be removing quite a lot of screws, so it's a good idea to keep them all separate with their relevant parts, as this should help you remember where they all go when you put it back together again. With the top off now, as you can see, the water inlet valve is located here and it's secured into place with these two screws, so next we're going to need to remove these. Once the screws are removed, we can disconnect the two electrical connections. We recommend taking a photo of these connections before removing them so you know where to connect them onto the new inlet valve later on. So you can now pull the valve through the back of the machine and then disconnect the two Jubilee clips here. But we recommend placing a towel beneath the valve to soak up any spillages. You might need to use pliers to remove these Jubilee clips. Then once the clips are out the way, you can pull the hose off and free the valve. Now it's time to fit your new water inlet valve, and to do this you're going to need your model number to make sure that you buy the correct replacement for your make and model. If you're unsure of your appliance's model number, take a look at our video up here on how to find the model number on your washing machine. We'll also link down below in the description where you can get your hands on a new water inlet valve from our website. Depending on your model, your new water inlet valve may or may not come with the bracket that secures it into place. So if yours hasn't come with one, you'll need to remove the bracket off your old valve and replace it onto the new one. But as you can see, our one comes with the bracket on. So we can begin by fitting the left pipe onto the left side of the water inlet valve and the right pipe onto the right side. And then you can secure the pipes into place using your pliers by placing the Jubilee clips over the pipes where they meet the new valve. Next you can push the front part of the valve through the back of the machine and reconnect the electrical connections. This is where you can refer back to your photo if you took one earlier. Next we can screw the valve back into the rear panel using the screws we removed earlier. And there you have it, how to replace the water inlet valve on your Samsung EcoBubble washing machine. Now that your washing machine is back up and working properly, why not improve your laundry game too? The Ecoegg laundry egg is a handy accessory to help save you time, money and energy, so take a look at our video down here that'll tell you all the information you need to know about them. Before you go, be sure to subscribe to our channel for plenty more appliance repairs, maintenance guides and all things eSpares. Thanks for watching!